What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about the best investing and breaking news with everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today, the market has taken a dip, but one specific crypto is doing quite well during this dip. And you know what that is. That is Solana, currently still in 7th place and still holding $176. While everything else takes a dip, Bitcoin, Cardano, even Ethereum, BNB, pretty much every crypto out there has taken a dip except for Solana. Now, I want to dive deeper into what Solana's trajectory is and where I think it's going to be going. And we're also going to be talking about the whales. Yes, the whales have been accumulating, and I'm going to provide you a little bit of a breakdown of where I think the whales are going to head and what their plan might be, and what Solana could be priced at if it were going towards Ethereum, which I do believe is happening. Now, before we begin, be sure to like this video because that helps with the algorithm and it goes to support the channel. So that is very much appreciated. So go ahead and smash that like button, go ahead and subscribe, and let's get right into it. So as we can see here, Solana is still tearing it up. I mean, in the 24-hour range, it is up 13%. And overall doing 6,000% in the year to date. And while other cryptos are taking a slight breather, this is still very bullish news for the crypto market. I'm not even phased. And if you've seen other YouTubers or other people in the crypto market, this is completely normal. And in fact, we kind of like dips like this because we find this as a great buying opportunity and dollar cost averaging. And if you think this is scary, well, guess what? If you're new to this space, just a month ago, actually not even that, in June, we were even at the lower lows. We were at a specific dip. We dropped hard from hard for May, and we all dollar cost average. And if you had dollar cost average around then, you're still in profit. And I remember when Solana was just at around $33. So this is not even phasing any of us. And Cardano, especially Cardano, during the bear market was at $1.33. That's nothing. They're still in profit too. And guess what? Ethereum, they used to be at near 1900 and we're still in profit. So as much as this may seem like a really big scary moment in the crypto space, this is completely normal. So welcome to our space. So anyways, I want to share this article from Solana just real quick. The reason I'm so bullish on Solana is when specifically Forbes magazine creates a bearish article stating that crypto and especially Solana are in a bubble. Now, Forbes in general is not bullish on crypto. Let's just be frank. Even the Forbes founder, he goes on to speak on his YouTube channel and speaks very negatively about cryptocurrency. And it's because they're baby boomers. They come from that generation of stock markets, bonds, indexes. I mean, that's just their whole thing. So they don't really understand the space. So they love creating a lot of FUD. So this is a FUD article. Even JP Morgan analysts to warn current crypto mania suggest that the crypto market may be ripe for a correction. And this correction that you're seeing over here, it isn't the same thing. They're talking about a really, really sharp correction. And that's not what's happening right now. This is a slight dip. And so anyways, I just want to move on because I think what I want to show you is this. Now, Solana has this website called explorer.solana.com/supply. And this shows you the largest holders of Solana in the crypto market. And this is what's great about cryptocurrency is that the blockchain allows you to see who's holding what. And so right now we have a total supply that has been created for Solana, and that's 503 million. The total circulating supply that's going on right now is 292, and the non-circulating, the people that are either taking it off exchanges and putting in cold wallet, well, that's 210. Now, what I find interesting is this. In the top 4 wallets, I'll go ahead and just click on the first one, but these whales accumulated 8 days ago. And that also goes for these top 4, and this 5th one, this guy's just been accumulating every single minute. I don't know if it's like on some auto buy, but as you notice, they had bought recently at 8 days ago. So what happened 8 days ago? Well, let's check it out. So what happened 8 days ago? Well, let's check out the price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So at this time, the price of Solana was around $96. And if you just go ahead and zoom out a little bit, you can kind of tell that, at the rate around the $96 range, these whales probably already started seeing that Solana was building and building and building. And they're like, okay, this is a time where we realize we have to buy in. So I think that was very interesting that they started buying into this trend 8 days ago, and they're still hodling at this very moment. So with that said, I want to go ahead and just kind of give you maybe what I think is happening right now. I think that these whales are waiting to basically wait for the Solana price to go for the Ethereum price. That's what I truly believe. I think they want Solana. They see the potential, layer one scaling solution, low transactions fees, and it's just really fast, and it's just the new hype. And I do believe that this market cap of 50 billion is going for the goal of Ethereum killer as 409 billion. I really believe that it's going for that. And I don't really compare this to Solana versus Cardano anymore. I think we have to wait and to see for Cardano to release their smart contract September 11th. But I do believe Solana is going for Ethereum. And I do believe that since Ethereum's proof of stake is not going to begin in the beginning of 2022, as of right now, it could change. It has plenty of time. We're only in September. We still have October, November, December. So within those 3 months, 3 to 4 months, it's going to go for that goal. And I could see it easily accelerating XRP, Binance Coin, ADA. I mean, just thinking about XRP, they're going through a lawsuit. USD Tether is just stablecoin. BNB is going through some regulatory issues around the world. Cardano is just waiting for smart contracts. Needs to be more dApps built on it. So that means that everything between Solana and Ethereum is kind of like cold right now. It's not moving. There's not really anything going on. Nothing that's projecting it. There's no narrative pushing it. But Ethereum, it's switching to proof of stake. And even that's going to be held off until early 2022. Solana's going to go for it. So I'm going to go back to the chart because this is really interesting. Yesterday, we had posted a video on the bullish trend that we see in this ascending triangle. It did break out. And as I predicted in my previous video, that it would touch a retracement level of around 134. And I'll go ahead and play that video right now. But I feel like we could definitely hit the 202 level. And, that's not to say like we are going to be in a bullish trend. Again, we could, expect a retracement back down to 135. I wouldn't be surprised there. And if I were, I would definitely buy that dip. It's all about dollar cost averaging and accumulating as much as possible. As you can see in that video, we predicted that it would bounce off here. And then it already started pulling up. And what I think happened is some people who have exited out of their trading for these other cryptocurrencies have allocated their funds in Solana because they know what's going on. And they tried to push the price down, and maybe some people bought, and probably that's why the buying volume right here in the green has spiked up. So I just want to show you that, guys, that we're still on track to hitting around 204, between 204 and 217. So we're still on track for that. I don't know when. This is just, again, this is not financial advice. This is just my financial opinion and entertainment. This is just my charting. Feel free to do your own research on seeing what other people are predicting. But so far, I've been pretty spot on about what's going on. But that's just my own opinion. So I wanted to show you this last thing because this video is already long enough. So Solana right now is at a current price of $174. So the whole point of this is, should you buy or wait? Because these whales, they've accumulated. Are they going to sell off right now? I don't think so. Again, like I said, they're going to aim for Ethereum's market cap. And I just want to show you that for Sol's current market cap at 50 billion right now, to reach ETH's market cap of 410 billion, it would need to 8x. So that means that the price of Solana, that would put it at each Solana at $1,392. I'm serious when I say this. It's going to go for that. And, I can't see anything stopping Solana right now at this moment. So if you're asking me, should you buy or should you wait? I think you should dollar cost average. DCA. And if you guys are new to the space, it's as simple as putting in a little bit of money here and putting in a little money there. You don't put all your money in right now. You know why? Because dips like this could happen where it drops and you could have had some money to buy, right? Again, the thing that I notice about these markets is that whenever we have dips, especially in the USA, they happen overnight while we're sleeping, right? And that's okay. You know, if you're in this for the long haul, you just hodl, you don't sell. And for me, I'm hodling, I'm accumulating, I'm dollar cost averaging. And I've been in profit ever since I entered the market for Solana at $33. And guess what? Some people entered at $5, $10, so forth, so on. And you know, this is we're still all in profit. So no matter what, you know, keep in mind, if you think that this market is a bit volatile, well, guess what? This is kind of how the space is. But while you have massive gains, some people think too much of the massive losses. So it's easy to get caught up in the massive wins. But, you know, if you're willing to be patient, and this is the skill to make money and have financial wealth, is you have to hodl and be patient. Don't freak out. This is not an emotional market. You cannot be emotional during this stuff. I've had to learn that myself, and it's absolutely paid off. So, and that's because I do this day to day and I realize what's going on. And, you know, not everybody can do that. So I'm here to let you know this is completely normal. And so, yes, right now, Solana is looking great. It has great strength. And I definitely think it's going for ETH's price. And guess what? When Bitcoin goes up, which it will, Solana is going to go up there too. And if Solana held its price at around 174 when Bitcoin dropped from 52,000 to 47,000, and we're still at 175, well, guess what? When Bitcoin goes back up to 52,000, this price is definitely going to go past $204, which I predicted. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was very helpful. You know, this is all educational, and I'm glad that you guys are on this train. And thank you so much for supporting this channel. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.